A 4.4 magnitude earthquake has shaken Los Angeles. The quake struck 5.6 miles from the LA neighborhood of Westwood in Southern California at around 6:25 a.m. local time. The United States Geological Survey said there could be a 5% chance of another strong quake within the next 3 days. This is the strongest quake to hit the city since the last aftershocks of the 1994 Northbridge quake. So far, there have been no immediate reports of injuries or damage, but it's said to have frightened a few LA residents this morning. This is the second quake to hit the state in a week. Last month, a 6.9 magnitude earthquake struck off Northern California, again causing no injuries or damage.